Hi, welcome to my channel Fried Water. Today we are going to see how to make Namma Veetu Mutton Kulambu, that is village home style mutton curry. So let's get started. Add oil to the pan. Once the oil hot, add bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, followed by fennel seeds, stone flower and chopped garlic, ginger. Saute for few seconds. Now add curry leaves, saute, add chopped onion and saute until the onion turns golden brown. Add chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Saute until the raw flavor goes off. Add the cleaned and washed mutton pieces to the pan. Saute until the fat in the mutton starts melting and the raw flavor goes off. In goes the chopped tomatoes. Saute it until the tomatoes completely softens. Add a required amount of salt and 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Cook it well on a low-medium flame. Let's get the coconut paste ready. We need grated coconut, dry red chilli, garlic, ginger, black peppercorns, fennel seeds, curry leaves. Add little water. Grind it to a smooth paste. Now let's check the curry. Mutton looks cooked. Time to add coconut paste and mix it well. Add a little water accordingly and let it cook for 3 minutes. You can make this curry in a pressure cooker also. Finally, add coriander leaves. The village home style mutton curry is ready. Let's try it. It tastes really good. Try this recipe and let us know your comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.